Devstream is live. YouTube vertical. Looks like it's gonna be live soon. Can't tell. Just looks like a black screen. Okay, no, there we go. And let's turn on YouTube horizontal. Hopefully it'll show up.
Nice.
Okay. Let's see, what are you working on right now?
I think I'm gonna add a couple extra things to the end game screen and then start working on the look
Cool.
of UI.
Are you gonna end up tracking like left button presses, right button presses, walls hit? or anything?
Maybe.
I mean,
Yeah.
we can add those for after, like in the actual game too. They don't necessarily need to be in the demo.
I think right now I'm just gonna do this.
What is that? I'm sorry, I'm looking at OBS.
Add left click, right click, just because that's easy and kind of fun.
Sure.
And then the bug report button, wishlist button, a little
Mhm.
thanks for playing note.
Cool.
That's extra stuff.
All right, cool. Yeah, that sounds good. I guess I'll try sending the YouTube output one more time. If it doesn't work the second time, I'm not gonna bother with it.
So annoying.
No. Oh, there we go. Oh, I think I may have figured out what the secret is. Yeah, okay. I think I know what it is. When you launch a YouTube stream, the YouTube stream like dashboard has to have like initiated that stream. And when you set up the stream for the vertical one, it initiates the screen for that stream. But to have the horizontal one, you have to go to the default screen and set that up and like open it. And once it's open, then there's like a connection open for you to start streaming to. That's my suspicion. We'll try it again. We'll test my theory tomorrow, but I believe that's probably it. Okay. All right, well, let's clean up this camera controller a little bit. Use that number a fair bit of times. Let's just make that the max offset. And then we can adjust that.
Should I say left clicks or like swim left inputs?
Left input, right input?
For like the count numbers?
Yeah.
Like this is the label, like it'll say this and then it'll be a number.
Left inputs?
Because they might not actually have their key on the left, you know?
Right. Well, that's kind of what I mean. Is it is the swim left button, regardless of like what button you're pressing, or it's the it's the left input button. So you could just say left inputs or
Yeah.
swam left, swam right. But I don't know.
Oh yeah. Maybe I'll just use swim left count. Swim left inputs.
Sure. Yeah. Gotta figure out. We gotta be able to translate that. But yeah.
Well, we already have left. Swim. We already have swim left and swim right. So.
We do? I think we just have
Yeah.
left and right.
This is what we had on here.
I don't know if that translates. Here, let me put it up real quick. Like that, I might not have keys for that in other languages. Maybe I do. Let me see. English. Yeah, I only have keys for those in English, so we have to translate those with Google Translate or something. But swim left, swim right. That I feel like that's probably straightforward enough. That should be okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Current controller. Set this to max offset to 32. And then I should be able to modify that around time. Let's make these visible. My back kind of hurts. I feel like if I'm sitting at my desk for like 6 hours already today. Should stand
Yeah,
up.
get up and stretch that.
No, I think I'm gonna stand up here and move my desk up. Hope it doesn't unplug anything important. How do those look bigger than they did before? That doesn't make any sense. Two. And it can even move just like the tiniest bit faster. Feels like it's lagging behind just a little bit. We're doing LARP value times delta. Delta is divided by 2000. Let's divide by 1000 and see how much change that makes. It's interesting going back and playing the playtest. It feels like, I mean, it's like it feels like our fish doesn't have quite as much power as they did in the play as she did in the playtest.
I think that's the gravity.
Yeah.
Which I think it's okay.
I think it is too, but it's weird going back to it now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This. Okay. Let's. Hopefully nothing unplugs when I raise my desk up. Although the music, that's okay. A little tight. A little low still. Okay. There we go. Let me move my camera. Oh my gosh, having a standing desk is so nice.
Couldn't be me. I wish.
Okay. Let's set this value to 64. Let me move a little too much. Let's see. So minusing 0.5 here should. Yes, it's. Distance offset. So let's fix that. Okay, are you able to take a look at my screen real quick?
Let me pause something I'm listening to.
Screen.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm curious if you think this is too much camera movement.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
Like it's like going too far from the center, I think. It's like not too
Yeah.
fast, but
Let's try somewhere in the middle. So I could do 32 plus another 16 would be 48. So let's try that. How about this?
maybe, yeah.
Or we can reduce it really quick by little bit more, so it's about half as much as it was the first time I just showed you. Actually, I think this might be best. It's a little bit more subtle, but it's definitely, I think, more than we had before.
Yeah, I think this looks better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, I will clean up this code a little bit and then push it up. And then get to work on some music. Let's set this back to the old find closest neighbors function, which still works. See all that. I'm using significantly less anchors than I was before. It still, I mean, it still looks pretty good, so I might just leave it like that. Because less anchors means more efficient. Yeah, so we're not checking as many every frame. I wonder. Wait a minute. We're going to try something very quickly. Oh my god, wait a minute. Check this out.
Okay, I'm watching.
Let me make it bigger. We don't need the anchors at all. I'm just using the normalized velocity, and because it's lerping, it's not jerking between the every time you move.
Yeah, this is good.
Because it's actually lerping properly now, using the local positions. Look at that. Huh. At least I don't think it's using. Let me double check. I've set so now these two lines, only time we use the anchors. Yeah, good. This was a very helpful bug to fix.
Nice. Can you play around with it a little bit
Yeah.
in like smaller platforms to see if like it updates quick enough for you to like be able to see where you want to go, you know?
Yeah, let me just do a playthrough here with it.
Yeah.
I say, thinking it'll take me 2 minutes. this. Oh my gosh, come on, almost. There we go. Yeah, I think this works really well. You'll have to try it out for yourself and see how you feel. But we can adjust like the max distance that it's able to be away from the fish and stuff like that. And if we want to put the anchors back, we can. But or even adjust like how quickly it lerps. We can change that too. This feels like an improvement. Definitely is an improvement. At least a little bit of performance. I don't think this was a particularly expensive class or anything, but
yeah,
it's a little cheaper now. Okay, and then so one thing that is a little broken though, and I don't, well, maybe not anymore. Okay, the creative mode camera was a little broken there for a second, but I think I fixed it.
That's okay, as long as we know where we're going.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, progress bar. Are we gonna get that in for this demo? Kind of feels like maybe not.
I thought you were thinking we didn't want to.
Okay.
And that's kind of what I was like, okay, well, I don't think it'd be very hard. I think it'd probably take me 20 minutes if we wanted one in. But
I don't know. I thought it's gotta have like a good look and vibe to it, and like.
Yeah, I'd probably just throw it up like by the time, maybe a little vertical one, and just put a little. There's a built-in UI thing for progress bars.
Oh, yeah.
You could just make the top be a certain watery looking thing. Oh, hi. Hi, little guy. Come here.
Okay, well, yeah, let's not rule it out yet then.
Okay.
How long has this been open? What the heck?
What?
A different instance of Upstream that has completely different code is still sitting here running? How did this
Huh? Oh.
How is this even possible?
I don't know.
Okay, well, maybe that's why my computer was chugging.
Probably.
That's a little weird.
Oh my god, my cat wants so much attention right now. He's standing up on my chair and poking me on my shoulder. Hi, yeah, come here, come up. Say hi. I'm not sure anyone's watching, but look. Yeah, hi, buddy.
Comment that line, comment that function. You can delete this function. Comment out this function. We need to update markers. Okay, I should test to see how it plays out. We're getting rid of that one. Check. Do you like the vibe of the music in the ocean area? Do you think it fits?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of vibe are you thinking, or would you like maybe for the beach?
I don't know.
I was thinking, maybe something a little bit kind of lighter and maybe like kind of whimsically, like the beach is a bit of a brighter area, and there's like there's birds and there's a crab, and I don't know.
Yep.
Seems kind of fun, like.
Yeah.
So I might try something a little kind of lighthearted and upbeat.
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds good.
Because the ocean music is like the trailer music, but it's kind of slower and a little bit more dramatic.
Yeah.
Something a little upbeat. Not sure.
Nice. Does work. Okay. Okay, in game manager, I'm gonna put a var left clicks.
Okay.
My God. In Discord.
Oh.
Like, you can't just say that.
Yeah.
Like, that is so. Oh my goodness. Okay. I can just count. Is it move left, move right?
Mm-hmm.
How do you think I should count hold to swim?
Oh, that's the thing. Hold to swim just calls. No, it doesn't. It does its own input. Can you
Like, is
increment
there?
that? You can. There is a way to increment. If you can access that count in the player controller, then you can increment it from the player controller.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah. I'm just putting it in Game Manager, and then I'm gonna say if global game manager, then access the variable and increment it.
Yeah. You can. There's a hold to swim like thing that fires on like a timer that you can put the increment in if you wanted to.
If hold the swim mode and left and right, rotation direction equals swim assist. This isn't it.
Let me see. Whoa! What is all these?
I just moved to this. What?
Remote deep. I'm gonna leave those errors alone. I think those were because of my extra instance that was open.
Oh. Yeah. I just switched to this method, so I haven't looked at this one yet. This looks like a apply force, yeah? This looks like a swim.
If globals or hold to swim and direction time passed equals 0, then do this thing.
Yeah, because playing swish.
Yes, this is what makes you swim for both presses and for hold to swim. And the direction you swim is determined by there's a rotation direction.
Yeah, that was the one I was looking at right here. This is both holding down though.
Yes. Because I think it used to be like there used to be a swim function that got called. And I got rid of that when I remade the character controller. Where could you put this? You could just say, okay, wait, where is rotation direction? Rotation direction is set up here. Okay, here's what you do. In this if statement, this huge one, the game over and left, right, or game setting, and hold to swim, you do a check for if the rotation direction is -1, increment left. If rotation direction is +1, increment the right one. And that should work.
Rotation direction -1, increment left?
I think so.
I'll test it.
Yeah, I believe that's correct, but you'll have to double check. Okay, what is this error? This is not supposed to be happening. Remote debugger peer. Condition read in position error is true. Continuing.
It's happening normally now?
Well, I don't know. I was testing it and then I alt tabbed and had this error.
Are you sure this isn't from having two things?
No, I just cleaned it. We can try it again here. It could be from like modifying something while running the game. Like,
I don't know what it sounds like. Remote debugger.
yeah. Yeah, like I'm not getting it to show up.
Right here now.
Never gives up. Moving on, she is deep in the ocean, and the time has come for her to find.
Good evening, Loki Trickster.
Oh, I can't control it. My bad.
How are you this afternoon?
Do I have a player? I do have a player data ref.
Okay.
Add this as a save file real quick. Back up. Grab this. Hi, buddy. What's up? You are being so funny today. Set run information visual.
Controller to that music manager.
Working on some art because a person with negative art will send you the pixel art. That's tough.
Is that a? I'm not smart because the person with negative art skills assigned to do pixel art. You're not saying that you're the person with negative art skills, are you? Or are you saying that you're having to compensate for someone else's negative skill?
I forget how big of a project you're working on.
Isn't Lucky Trickster working on the MMO card game, implementation of MMO?
Okay. It be like that sometimes.
Separate from the card game.
Oh,
okay.
New project?
Another side project?
Player data. Game data. Left.
This one's gonna be system. Well, that's cool to know that we never needed that system.
Dating that save file. This should just work. I love saying that.
It should just work.
That's my new favorite saying. Anytime I implement something, first try. It should just work.
Okay, I pushed up all my camera changes, so you should be able to mess around with those now.
Sick.
And
It's like character
it's
control.
time to get in music mode.
It's time to play the game.
I want to make my piano stand taller. Can I do that? Oh.
I don't need this now. There should be no situation where those don't exist. These are globals. Okay, we increment these. Player data.
I'll
You're
take
getting
my
set.
headphones off for 1 sec so I can move this piano.
Sounds good. Okay, let us delete a save file. And let's play. Ah, boom. We in this. We in this. One left click. 2 left clicks. 3, 4, 5. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now if I turn on hold the swim mode. Nice, it works. I'm curious if I use more left clicks than right clicks. If I'm just like going for a normal run. Whoa, that was a big lag spike.
Look at that. Oh, you know what I don't want? I'd love to have I would love to make like a sliding drawer to put below my standing desk that can hold my keyboard. So that it's always at my desk height and I can just move it back and forth super easily.
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm hearing beach texture, beach melody, beach texture, beach melody.
Isn't that so annoying?
This is pretty funny. No! Crab!
And you'll
Your
hear
friends.
eventually he'll switch and his overlapping voices will go to different combination of those 6 words.
Go for the super skip.
Has it changed back to Ocean
Yeah,
yet?
it did.
Okay, good.
Just did.
Sweet.
Oh no. Push! No! Okay. I'm stinky. Did I get so bad, huh? What if you can hit the skip from down here?
I bet you can.
It's pretty hard. I made this jump much harder. Ah. That's a weird bounce back. Come on. This is so perfect. No!
Jesus.
Oh my goodness, this would have been faster to just play the regular game.
Hmm.
That's what it should be like, though.
That's the point.
Yes! Now, this isn't easy, too.
Oh.
No! You can't go too fast. Oh, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. Okay, I have to.
Have you pulled?
No.
You should try doing this run with the new camera. See how you feel about it.
Yeah. Okay. I wanted the big reveal. Let's see my left click to right click ratio
Oh yeah.
after like normal duration of playing. Whoa, that is crazy. I use so many more left clicks.
That's interesting.
For 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's counting it right.
Cool.
It's 341. I'll do 5 quick left inputs. Yeah, like
Sweet.
counting them in the air. No, it only counts them when they apply. That's nice.
Yeah. You could pretty easily add the walls hit. Because there's a sound that plays. So just whenever that sound plays, you increment.
Oh my god, you're so right.
It's super easy.
Maybe I'll do that. It's kind of a funny one.
Yeah.
Those are good. I feel like those are good stats for like Faudian type of games because part of the fun is like, look how much I suffered.
Uh-huh.
And so like you have like game time, but also like you ran into walls this many times.
Yeah.
We could also do a thing where like some games will have like a random stat displayed. We can like pick one and be like, you clicked left.
Oh,
Like-
like at the end or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And not have these be displayed constantly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's do a little mergey.
Hold on. Piano, keyboard, desk, mount.
Nice.
Small clamp with 12-inch rail set. DIY custom. Piano. Under desk piano mount. Want it to slide mount. I don't have money to buy these right now. Maybe an April or something. Piano tray, piano. This one is $200 on Etsy. Just one. New score and Rico. This.
No! I can't get the final jump. I was like, no! I had like a 1 minute 15-second run.
No.
Come on! I'm bubbling the bag! Off the rock. Yes! 142!
142, that's pretty good. Did you do any skips or did you play it as intended?
I did the full skip.
A full skip?
Yeah.
Oh. So
Like
you-
I did as many skips as I think I could.
Okay.
Beach percussion, beach melody, beach
Beach.
percussion. It's your voice is so like soft in it too. You're like beach melody. It's like kind of, it's like not bad. Alright. So I'm gonna hook up collisions too. Sometimes when I get high. Nice. Safe folder is empty. Clear data. Let's give this a. Died. Where is that sound
Sound?
for when you hit something?
Um.
Oh, it's right here. Slap sound.
Yeah.
Found it.
And that also does not trigger when you're breathing. So if you're like breathing, if you stop moving right up against a wall, it won't
Sick.
trigger a bunch of slaps.
Bad collisions. It's funny.
I suppose it also won't trigger for like slides, I guess, if you don't hit it at the right time or in the right, like if you don't hit it hard enough to bounce. Although no,
That's fine.
I think that might still count because
I don't know.
I think that's the environment detection method. So it's not actually handling the collisions; it's just handling if you're close enough to do a collision.
I like the slap sound when I like it incrementing when the slap sound plays. I feel like that fits.
Yeah.
Alright, let's add it to the list.
What is this? Strings. I played a viola. This one kind of. Let's put one. We'll just start this. Keep it in D major. So 4. So temp.
Feels like it's counting too many.
Oh, really?
If I go really fast, I'm at 40. I go really fast in this wall. Okay, I counted 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Maybe not. It should be 2. Wait, maybe it's okay.
It's just, maybe 60. I should probably just set it to 120. Yeah, okay.
Alright, it's good. I think. First time. think I fixed it. Oh no. I didn't know. I think I'm going to move. You can keep working on what you're doing and just listen if you're making a thing right now, but I think I'm gonna move fastest time to maybe like a little on the top or something and put like high score or something.
Sure. Yeah.
I feel like it feels out of place here.
Yeah.
And that way I can just hide it if they don't have a high score.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's over to that.
We've record
Why not just
fast
best time?
best maybe. I'm trying to think what would be easiest to translate.
I think best time would work well.
Best time.
Yeah.
Something like this. And then we like actually I'm gonna H box for this.
That's going to be another tedious task this weekend, is getting everything translated, and then also, ooh, wow, actually, I'm going to make a ticket for that before I forget. I actually don't know yet what the subtitles will look like when they're full lines, you know?
Yeah.
Add script to spreadsheet. You see in subtitles. See what happens.
What do I call this? That just works if I do that. Okay, we want this and this to be hecka close. So we want these in their own VBox. It happened again. I said VBox and I thought of Fortnite. I don't play Fortnite, I swear.
Oh, there we go. Okay, let's keep on that.
Okay, I think Game overflow is done for now.
Let me call this upstream.
Okay. It is actually time to work on the look.
Cool.
Ooh, exciting.
Yeah.
I might try and start with this background shader.
Do you want to put that? You're gonna put the surface shader onto the background and see what happens.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm curious to see if it works or not. I'd be surprised if it did, but also it could. And I think technically it is a resource that is local to scene, so you should be able to modify the color, the hue, without it affecting the surface itself.
So like, if I come in here, what is the difference here? Color
What are
reg.
you doing?
Oh, this color reg.
Do you want to get on here? Is this what you're... Come here.
Now, do I? Okay, I get confused about this.
All right, let me pull up Discord. What's up?
Do I quick load this, or do I make a new shader material then add the script?
Quick load and just put a new shader material in.
Surface or shader material? Water shader?
Water surface.
Water surface. Okay, we can make this a lot less, like, I think it's okay if it's in the settings to be more high res. What do you think? Like, allow more colors?
Yeah, see what happens? So click on it now, click on the resource. Yeah, change quantization levels. You might need to like reload the scene. Or wait, that's just a noise texture. That's not being quantized.
I put it to 50.
Oh. Set it to 1 or 2, just to make sure it's working. Oh, yeah.
Is this in the shader that's making it not use the pixels? Like I can see the pixel size is like...
The pixel size should be the same size as the pixels in the game. If you run it. Dang.
Hey, let me try running it. What I'm trying to say is I want to make it use the full resolution.
Yes.
So
You
smaller
might have to write a new
pixels.
shader to do that.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause I can definitely see this. I will do that then. That's okay. Oh shit.
Oh, you should run the game and make sure that the quantization effect that you just changed didn't apply to the surface as well. I don't think it should, but just double check.
Mm-hmm. I don't think it looks good. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's... Wait, did it again.
Did what?
Thought I fixed this bug.
Oh, hey. Ozzy, you made it up to the desk. Good job. Nice, nice jump. Tall desk and no piano to help you up this time.
Going to. What? Oh, that's pause manager. It's not. I set this. I'm really confused what's happening here.
What is it?
Oh, wait a minute. For some reason, the pause menu, when I load into a game, watch this, see if I do it. For a second, the pause menu is gonna start at 00 in the center of the screen, and then it's gonna play the animation. You see that?
No, it did not.
Okay, well, it did it. And I confirmed it in here that, like, so it's down. This is where it should be, negative 1080, and it's not starting there, even though I set the script to start there. It's not here, like, look at this. Margin container. Yeah, it's not there. Why isn't it there? Do I have to like reload it? Like the child scene isn't reflecting in the inherited scene. Like this is, I don't know what's going on here. Margin container, negative 1080. Game manager, 0.
What is the animation player say? What is the animation player? Like, what animation is it playing right now?
I'm playing transition in, which.
But play reset. What does reset play? You should set the reset, the default value in reset to negative 1080.
Okay.
Because unless, as far as I understand, unless there is another animation set to play on load, reset will play on load, I think.
Okay.
To like reset everything to their default values of what they're supposed to be. So, take this switcher off.
There we go. Yeah, I think that fixed it. Thanks.
Cool.
Okay. Hi, Toby.
forgot to put chicken in the fridge from the freezer.
No.
set viewport texture. Oh, I have game manager open. Toby! Come here! Why are you screaming? Say hi! Look at the camera! No, don't attack it! Shader. UI background shader. Canvas item shader. Or how do I even... Jeez, I don't know how to do this. Okay. Grab this.
Let's get
I'm watching a YouTube video, so I don't have chat up.
Okay. I will let you know.
Whoa. Oh, yeah. Do I actually want to like alter on this? I have to enable flags. How do you make the shader like repeat so that it moves when you use time?
Let me open up the video real quick. You modify the UV by the time value, UV coordinates.
That's
You're
what I'm
looking-
doing, but sometimes with the textures not updating.
Is the
I'll watch-
texture that you're using set to seamless?
No, it is now, but didn't
Okay.
do anything.
Okay.
I'm watching this YouTube video and they said to set a repeat flag to true, but I don't see that. Oh, wait. Didn't do anything.
You're trying to get a texture to scroll in a given direction infinite.
Mm-hmm.
UV times your action stretch plus unpause time. We want the noise texture is UV plus time. And your time value, you can use the greater time if you want, or you can use your unpaused time thing. And that should be all you have to do.
Not working.
Let me take a look at your code. Up to UV plus time, UVY, noise texture. How does it stretch like that?
It's what the time did.
Wait, so what happens if you delete time? Or delete the plus time there? Okay, so we see the noise, and then plus time. Oh, wait. Mod that number by 1.0. So
Which number?
UV.
Mod by 1.0?
Mod UV plus time. So the first.
This.
Yeah, modify. No, yeah, just that the first part of the vector 2 there. Modify that by. So there's a mod function. So the first argument is the number you pass in. The second argument is the mod.
No mod. Invalid arguments for the built-in function mod float.
You've got an extra parenthesis after time.
I want this one. Oh. Oh. Okay. Why do I have to do that?
Because UV values only exist between 0 and 1. Right? They're coordinates between 0 and 1. If you're just adding time to your UV coordinate, time is some enormous value. So that's why.
Okay.
So what you were seeing was one slice of the far, probably right side of the UV after it had been. It scrolled off the screen as soon as the engine started.
Okay. So if I want to alter these, I was going to delete that, but I guess I'm not going to. Save it up here. Can't divide floats by ints.
Nope, gotta turn them into floats. Shading language is so specific. You have to be very particular about what you ask it to do. Start with these.
I like this look. Domain warp. like Balatro now. I want it to be kind of blurry to make it look like water. There was a point there. It looked.
Yeah, for sure.
Raining.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Whoa, that is dodgy. Hi, buddy. That is doing weird things. Hi. Come here.
Hello, Cyber Remy. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing today?
What's up? What I want. Colors.
How's the game coming along? The game is coming along quite well. I think we're getting real close to a demo here. Ideally, the end of next week at the latest, I think, right?
Yeah.
If everything goes to plan here over the next few days, that'll be that. Yeah. Very soon.
Where we Oh, what did I do? No! I hate shaders. It deleted my noise texture because I changed the variable name.
Yeah.
I'm about to crash out.
Looks like it kept all your settings though. Oh no, it didn't.
Why is it wrapping now?
Yeah, we're super excited. It's gonna be
What, dude?
pretty cool.
You are so funny. Oh my goodness. Let's just see if this works before I. Raw data colors from green. And then this one has a. Wait, can I just duplicate? Yes! Okay, swag. And then I want to change this color to be 0. Put this one all the way at red. Alright, don't tell me you guys are. Oh my goodness.
No. E. E.
Huh? Okay, that one's green. Is this not unique either? There needs to be a way to like, for these like resources that like can't be unique, there needs to be a way to like quickly view dependencies. Just to like put myself at ease, like, okay.
What do you mean? Like,
To check, like, if it is actually independent,
oh,
actually unique.
yeah.
It's like you hit make unique recursive, but there's nothing that actually tells you if it's unique. What's up,
Right.
Pixel Lover?
Hey, Pixel Lover. Welcome to the stream.
Just do that. Okay. Another puppy sold.
Congratulations.
How would I mix?
Mix.
Like if I have 3 textures and I grab the UV from all 3 of them, and then I want to smack that overlay.
There should be a mix in one of the ones that I wrote.
Mix. Okay, so you just mix takes 2 values and you just keep stacking them.
I think so. Yeah. Well, no, it takes 2 values, and then a third value is the ratio between the 2. Like how much of each one you take.
Oh, I see. See if I can kind of mimic what this guy's doing.
Ramen and bagels. That's what Pixel Lover's eating today, apparently.
Sounds good. G, B. What does he do with these? Oh, he has them minusing? He subtracts it from this, so they're moving in opposite directions. And this one is this. Plus.
Extra to that. Cool. We'll be right back.
Mm-hmm. Hi, buddy. Yeah. I don't want that. I want this to be high. Yeah. Maybe we'll do this. Float. Huh? Expected a comma or? Hi. I don't want to mess with that. I want to make a new color, or I do take those. I make my new intensity. I do. Okay. This is not stacking. I want extra movement.
All right, I'm back.
Hey. It'd effectively be the same thing. Oh. What? Now that does nothing?
The clap is done.
Ooh. Wait, that's already that. What is going on? Is there a way to print? There's no way to print in shaders, right?
Nope.
No idea what I'm doing. Why is this making it white? Hi. White is 255, 255, 255.
Let's see. Take a look.
Maybe these textures are too dense? Oh, wait, I know why. Never mind. I think. Hi, come here. Yeah. That change anything? Nope.
I can say 255.
It doesn't, but it's setting the color to white, so that means that this is 255.
New colors and mix. Noise, red, noise, green.
I'm trying to grab, I have these noise textures, and I want to grab the RGB value from each one. I'm using a different UV for each one, so it'll kind of look like a bunch of different things moving in different directions. But for some reason, this new color is, I think, 255, and the alpha is more than one.
Have you tried printing the color from each of the noise textures to make sure that you're getting each one correct individually?
Tried printing?
Or not printing, but like displaying the color of each of the noise textures?
No, I just...
What I would do is, yeah, just set that to...
I do like color dot R.
It's a single color.
It's so bright. Some...
Okay. Having 2 and 3, UV1, UV2, UV3, and a red, a green, and a blue value. And then your alpha, here's your getting the alpha. Noise. Multiplying all the alphas together.
I just don't get why it's one flat color.
Can you, for your color.rgb, can you set that to your line 22, but without the R, without R at the end? The texture graph. Make it .rgb. Okay, so
That's that one, and then this one should be going the opposite X direction,
yeah.
and then this one should be going up or down, one of the two.
Okay.
And I want to grab just the RGB and mix them, and then make it take that intensity value and apply that to my color. That's what my goal is. Or maybe just make the alpha, just change the alpha to that value. Like, do I need to like clamp this at 1?
Maybe.
Clamp? Clamp takes 2?
New color.
But,
Red, green,
bro, I don't get it.
the red value is the red value. Wait. Mm. Why not just mix the? Why not get the colors and then mix them, and then mix the colors themselves instead of
Like
just red?
this? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, but instead of floats, the noise values are vec4 or vec3, I guess.
So here, change these to vec3s.
Yeah. Just
Don't grab.
grab the whole color. Oh, you might need to make them vec4 because they include or.
And mix them.
Yeah.
And this needs float value, like was 0.5 even.
I think so, yeah.
Okay, and then
The alpha should be.
set this to
I would not include the alpha right now. I just set the whole texture to this color to see if this calculation is good.
yes, this is the effect I want.
Pretty cool.
Yeah,
Is it all going to be blue though?
yeah, I want this to be like blue.
You should make all, if you're grabbing the noise colors, make all the noises blue.
Yeah, I guess the video I was watching, they put these all on one texture, and I was like, I'll do that. I'd like to be able to set my color though, like, shoot, without having to go into each of these, you know?
Oh yeah, then
Because okay, yeah.
Then one way maybe is to make them all black and white noise textures, so that their color doesn't matter. And then you can basically do the color ramp sort of yourself. Oh, that's tough. I'm sure there's a
I don't know, I can mess around with this some now that
Okay.
you can go back to music. Thanks.
Yeah.
Should really have chat up. Okay, I also wanted to do this. And then can I? Source color. see how this looks. In game. A little too fast. Why is it so much faster in game?
Are you using time, or are you using the like modified time variable that you have?
I was just using normal time. Because I want this to play when paused.
Right.
You slowed it down hella.
Is it really slow in the inspector and like in the editor?
Yeah, like super slow.
Oh. I don't know.
Wait. For some reason, I think it was overriding it
Oh.
in the export variable for the shaded parameter. Bane of my existence. Yep. I don't want to clamp, I want to... clamp the alpha, I want to... equalize it to minimum and maximum. 0 to 1. Divide by the distance. Yep, that's how you do it.
Too low.
No. No, this.
Do I think the game Monster Hunter is any good?
Never played it.
I have never. Well, that's not true. I've played maybe 30 minutes of Monster Hunter World. I think the formula appeals to me a little bit, but I've never really spent a bunch of time with it. I played some other Monster Hunter lights, like Dauntless. That's a good free-to-play one that I enjoy a little bit. But never been a huge fan of the franchise myself.
I had a friend who wanted me to play it once, and I remember I started to download it and realized it was a massive download, so I stopped.
See you,
Okay.
Pixel.
Yeah.
Have fun.
don't think it's mixing these correctly.
Hmm.
These docs are awful.
Or the shader code.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little hard to parse, I think.
Holy crap. Bruh. That does not help me at all. Where?
Are you good if we end the stream maybe like half an hour early today? I just remembered we're having family over this evening.
Yeah.
Get the house ready a little bit.
Just. I want to know. I was asking ChatGPT what it thought about the mix function,
Oh,
and it spit out a wave shader. Kind of working. Generate waves using sine functions. Apply distortion. Watercolor gradient. Color equals this. Wave amplitude. What if we decrease this?
ooh, that's an interesting idea.
Whoa. That's cool. It makes like a. Goes. Take the Y value. Take the Y value here. Almost making like a CRT shader.
Yeah. CRT shaders are cool.
That's neat. Alright, I'm spending too much time on this. I'm gonna hold off on making the shader, I think. And I'm just gonna work on actual look at the UI. Okay, let's start with playing with.
Salmon are true. Remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place where they were born to lay their eggs and die. But how do they know exactly where to return to? The smell of their home streams and the surrounding waters is imprinted in their memory. However, smell alone is not enough. Salmon also use the magnetic field of the Earth itself as a compass to guide their way home. But navigation is only one of the many challenges they face. Take a look at this salmon. Sturdy,
Not
stalwart,
working.
brave. She is deep in the ocean, and the time has come for her to find her way home.
I
We
just
join
inherited.
her for the end of her journey. It is essential that she succeed in order to bring life to the next generation. Normally, salmon will make this journey in large
info
groups,
labels.
but she is alone.
Beach percussion.
The odds are against.
Beach percussion. Beach melody. Beach percussion. Beach groove. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know if maybe you've already fixed this. I just pressed the quit from the main menu and got an error in the save current game time function. It said invalid access to property or key elapsed time on a base object of type previously freed.
Wait. Can you show me?
Yep.
Watching.
So
What is save current game time?
Right here, it's saying that you can't access this because globals doesn't. Or wait, previously freed. Why would this have been freed? Unless
Timer.
game timer was freed.
And when did this hit?
When I hit quit from the main menu after exiting to main menu.
You hit quit on the main menu?
After I was in a game, and then quit to menu.
Let me see if I can recreate this. In this game, did you just hit main menu and saved?
No, I was playing around a bit. My time was probably about 2 minutes or something.
Okay. But there's a save. So we're in here. Main menu. And then you hit quit.
Mm-hmm.
Quit. Oh. Hold up.
Mm.
Quit doesn't need to be saving. Why is quit saving? Quit. On quit button pressed. cmanager.quit game. Oh, okay. We'll do if. How can I tell? I can just have this call a different call. Funk, quit, game from the game main menu. I think this is the only spot where this happened, because the only time. Oh, no. I need a way to be able to differentiate it. Can you try going to? Actually, I can recreate this. If globals dot game manager. I think that should work.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place where they were born, to lay their eggs and die.
So we do new game. It's because there's a save file.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place where they were born, to lay their eggs
But you
and
shouldn't be
die.
hitting here anymore.
But how do they know exactly where to return to? The smell of their home streams
I'm gonna
and
use a breakpoint.
surrounding waters is
Nice.
salmon are truly
Yeah, it's
remarkable
because
creatures.
it's.
At the end of their lives,
I have quit game
salmon
right
will
now
return to the
is.
place where they were born, to lay their eggs and die.
It checks if there's a save file.
Mm-hmm.
It will then save.
But how do they know exactly
Right.
where to return to? The smell of
Which works if you're just on the main menu and hit quit. But like, does it work
the
if you have a
home
save
streams
file?
and the surrounding waters is imprinted in their memory. However, smell alone is not enough. Salmon also use the magnetic field of the Earth itself as a compass to guide their way home. But navigation is only one.
Globals.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives,
Game
salmon
manager
will
is
return to the place
empty?
where they were born, to lay their eggs and die.
What?
how do they know exactly where to return to? The smell of their home streams and the surrounding waters is imprinted in their memory. However, smell...
Okay, I think I know what's going on.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place
Maybe.
where
Where's
they were born
globals?
to lay their eggs and die.
These all need to be
But how
null
do they know exactly where to return to? The smell of their home
by
streams
default.
and the surrounding waters is imprinted in their
think
memory. However, smell alone is
This
not...
is angry.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place where they were born to
Player
lay their
submerged.
eggs and die.
Start with false.
But how do they know exactly
I hope
where
that
to
doesn't cause
return to?
issues. I don't even think that's being used anymore.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will
Yeah,
return
this
to the
only ever
place
gets
where they
set.
were born to
Never
lay
gets
their
read.
eggs and die.
Fine by me. Oh, okay.
But
You just
how do
playing?
they know exactly
Right
where to
now, yeah.
return to? The smell
Yeah.
of their home
Yeah, I wanna get
streams
this leaderboard
and
up,
the
like-
surrounding
I
waters
know.
is imprinted in their memory. However, smell alone...
So right now I hit this.
Salmon are
Globals.
truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place
where's
where
Game
they were
Manager?
born to lay their eggs
Trippin'?
and die.
Game manager is now null.
But
Okay.
salmon are truly
Yep.
remarkable
Okay, I think I fixed it.
creatures.
Cool.
At the end of their lives,
it was,
salmon will return to
um,
the place where they were born to lay their eggs and
If
die.
for some reason, I don't know how this is actually happening.
But how do they know exactly
menu.
where to return to? The smell of their home streams and the surrounding
Wait.
waters is imprinted in their memory. However, smell alone is not enough. Salmon also use the magnetic field of the Earth itself
That is so
as
weird.
a compass to guide their way home. But navigation is only one of the many
I'm actually
really
challenges
curious.
they face.
Shouldn't have happened.
I don't know how it happened, because by
Take a look at this
default,
salmon.
so it was like
Sturdy, stalwart, brave.
when we are
She is deep in
quitting,
the ocean,
somehow
and the time has come for her to find her way home.
Game
We join
Manager
her for the end of her journey. It is essential that she
in globals was not null, it was empty.
Yeah, okay. Because it was
Which-
getting freed somehow?
No, I think it was what the change I made was in globals. I changed all the defaults to all these nodes that were just like var can controller, this
Right.
type of node. I changed them all to have a default of null.
Oh.
And so
Okay.
somehow, which is what I set them to in this reset method.
Yeah.
So like somehow, globals was never. They were never getting set,
To anything.
even though
not even
you
null.
went into game.
But the thing that they were set to is now gone.
Yeah,
Right? The
but
thing they were
I-
set to has been freed.
I don't like. I like. It's fine to solve an issue, but I want to understand it, like,
Yeah.
because I might not have fully fixed it. You know?
Well, isn't that is the issue though, right? Is that they were assigned to something, but the thing they have been assigned to was free, which is why we got the error saying
hmm
that thing was
Well, that was like the error, but the cause why that was allowed to happen doesn't make sense. Like, because right now, like if you go to scene manager, search quit game.
Right.
I can show you. Yeah, right there. If you add in that if statement, put a breakpoint at that if statement actually, and just
Add
look
it?
at it. Yeah,
Okay.
right there. And like try to recreate the bug.
Okay. Let's make a new game. Make a save.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return.
Honestly,
to the
it should
sea.
hit
Not bad.
as long as continue
save.
button is
Exists.
up. It's the same check.
Okay. And then quit.
Quit, yeah. And now look at globals
Mm-hmm.
and find game manager.
Game.
Should be in that top section. I don't know. It's you just went over it. I see it. No, further down, further down.
Oh, there it is. It's empty.
Empty, and that is
Everything.
equating to true. I had
Oh.
well, I added if globals.gamemanager and what it is currently, and it was still equating to true. Those I don't know why those are empty though. And all I did, wait, I didn't fix it. They're still empty.
Well, we know why they're empty, right?
Okay, they're not getting. Okay, I did not fix this bug. Okay, there's a path where globals.setValues to defaults isn't getting called. Where do I call this? Assuming I call this in Scene Manager. Yep. Okay, this is my check. When you change scenes,
Mhm.
if the load target path is game manager, so if you're going into the game, or globals.gamemanager and globals.gamemanager.gameover, hit set values to defaults. Oh no, we need to be. Is there any transition? We only ever. I think we always want to set globals to defaults, right? Any scene transition?
Any scene?
Or-
Yeah, I think so.
We have 3 scenes: main menu, tutorial, and the game.
Yep.
And
And-
globals will exist in all 3, but we only ever use globals in the main game.
Right. But anytime we load main game, we want to reset it.
Yeah. Because they all get set because we're making a whole new.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think we just call this every single time. Okay, I'm gonna remove what I did here. Turn that back. Yeah. Let's see if that works. It's a good catch. I'm just hitting quit off the rip. They're all null. Nice, okay. They're all null. Okay, I think it's fixed.
Cool.
I have to keep an eye on stuff like that though.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go back to that pause. I thought label inherited. I'm stupid. Such depth to it. It's really freaking annoying. Is it actually real? Why doesn't?
Oh my gosh, wait a minute. This kind of sounds like Stardew Valley. I didn't play Druids. I don't think I can play this on stream. I gotta mute myself.
So bad.
False alarm. I did not plagiarize Stardew Valley music. Sounded very familiar for a second.
So annoying.
Hmm.
Godot. Okay. Godot. I think this looks pretty good.
Hmm.
Like just how this text has this little shadow already,
Sure.
like adds some depth.
Yeah.
Don't know why it looks so like pixely though.
It's only 1080p, right? That's not super high res.
I guess, yeah. And I applied it to label, so like everything that is a label child got it already.
Yeah.
Buttons, check buttons, everything else does not have a shadow property.
What?
Like this stuff has, it's so annoying, and I found threads of people complaining about the text.
Like there's no
inconsistencies.
text shadow.
No, there's outline size, which I think looks awful.
Oh man.
So I have to go through like this. I think this looks bad.
Uh-huh.
This looks like it has depth. This just looks darker. Like,
Right.
so I need to go through and change these to labels with little check buttons.
Right. Yeah.
Go through,
Change
change
that,
this.
Put a label inside the button, basically.
Yeah, like change like I guess it's not that big of a deal, but like I feel like this should be a thing. Like
Yeah.
I should be able to put shadow on the inside text.
Right. I wonder why not.
It sounds like people have been complaining, and like it's like an
Hmm.
issue.
Well, hopefully it gets fixed soon. Although, if it's not already being talked about for 4.4, then it probably isn't going to come in for 4.4. Although, apparently 4.4 is supposed to come out like next month.
Mm.
Good timing for us. We'll finish up
Yeah.
this and start the next one on it.
Shoot. Okay, cats, don't go too crazy now. Both of them are like big tails, and they're running around and like looking at all the corners in the apartment.
My cat is curled up on my. Oh my god, he's just the cutest thing ever. He's on my mouse pad, sleeping, and he's like kind of curling over sideways and like twisting his body around. And then he just put both of his hands and like covered up his face.
Oh yeah, it's so cute when they do that.
The best, buddy. Just the best mouse pad warmer I could ever ask for.
Oh yeah.
It's like the only time he lets anyone rub his belly too is when he's basically passed out.
Yep.
Oh, and he's biting. Never mind. Ow, please let me go. Thank you. Not as asleep as I thought he was.
is this expanding? What the heck? That is small. It's like one or the other. Did I ever give you your guys' third scoop? I don't think I did.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I should probably hop off here.
Okay.
So I think we'll close up the stream here. If you are still watching, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Yep. Thank you.
Appreciate your time. If you haven't already, please go Wishlist Upstream on Steam. There is a demo coming very, very soon. And we're excited for you to try it out. Join us every day, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. as we get this project finished. All right. Have a good night.
Good night, y'all.